faith does not bow. Even amidst of this very threatening condition of their life, their faith does not bow. King Nebuchadnezzar demanded worship of a golden image. Siguro, maybe they can make a kanabang pasangil, no? They can tie their shoelace so that they can bow, and then the king will say, oh, they're bowing now. But they did not. But you know, what nila gihimo makaigsunan? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego refuses. Not in rebellion, but in obedience to God. Maybe in the context of the world, maybe in we can say in our municipality or a city, in a governance, maybe they are rebellion, but in front of God, they are so obedient with their God.